whoa, 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 yeah, we are in the place of yeah, 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 yeah.
This is Shiraz slushy. It's very sweet and delicious. I like it. It's nice when it's hot out, but it's not hot out today. But whatever.
Definitely tasty.
It's a little more tart, a little more fruity. I like it.
It's our usual Shiraz slushy. Usually my favorite. Nice balance of sweet. Not too much, not too little. It's like a adult frozen fruit roll-up. Maybe I'm dating myself a little bit. 4 to 5 plus.
It's a Chardonnay slushy.
Woo! So they didn't give us
Citrusy. I like that. Chardonnay.
That is really good. I love wine slushies though, so I've been wanting to try that.
That's right. Chardonnay slush. That's not bad.
I know you can't even.
For being a wine, I'm not really a wine guy, but that's pretty good.
That's this thing, which looks like a gigantic pink starburst in a cup. It's my people's Kool-Aid in frozen form. 3.5 out of 5 plus.
Alright, so I got a nice little Dole Whip. Plain, I should have gotten the swirl. I like the swirl better, but regular pineapple Dole Whip. I kind of defiled it a little bit, but very pineapple-y, which we all know the princess loves. I like it. 4 out of 5 plus for sure.